This trip came about because we wanted to do something really special for Kate's 50th. We all are outdoor lovers. We love being in nature, being with one another in nature. We like to push ourselves a little bit. Yeah, and then pamper ourselves a little bit. So it's a great balance. We're learning so much about each other that we had no idea about. It's because it takes you out of your normal day-to-day. The conversation has been deeper and more expansive. You work hard, you challenge yourself, and then you get the view, for example. And that's like the celebration or the reward, right? Nature's reward.
Whoa, look at how blue the sea is.
It wasn't just the beauty, but it was also the exploration of the history and the people and the culture.
Wow.
When we finally saw the monastery.
Look at this.
What was also really magical was standing on the ridge where you could see on one side the bay and then on the other side the monastery. It was like ocean history, mountain history, one on each side. That was like breathtaking. There are hotels that we wouldn't pick ourselves because it's like we wouldn't spoil ourselves like that. They're not chain, they're very unique. A real joy, I think, to be able to have this wonderful and amazing and different types of foods that are kind of celebratory. I mean, we've gotten these massive like whole fish for dinner, and that's not something that we would ever do in Colorado. This trip has made her feel like a birthday girl in just about every way that it would be possible. Every moment has just felt, I feel like, really special in terms of getting out of her comfort zone, but in a really almost like easy way and an enjoyable way. I mean, this is like the way she would want to spend her birthday.